Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage. Today we are back at IAA checking out semi trucks and just big heavy equipment they got here today. Comment below what you guys want to see in these videos. We're going to be coming here pretty often. So if there's a specific car you guys want to see, or specific, doesn't matter what it is, let us know and we will get them in the videos for you guys. Also, everything that we see today, there will be stock numbers down below in the description. So if you guys see something you like, go check out that stock number and you can search it up for yourself. Let's go check some stuff out. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna show you guys is a 2017 Volvo Semi truck. Just got a little bit of damage. The motor has a little bit of damage too. Radiators, I think you can straighten them out. Maybe patch the tire. Just missing a little bit of stuff here. Like it rolled or slid or...
Looks like it slid off the road.
Who knows what happened.
What good parts do you think are still on this truck? Like, that is
good parts
to recover. It looks like the fuel tank, first things first.
It's damaged right here.
Oh, it is damaged? Okay, well, a little bit. Doesn't look like there's a hole, but
the rear tires look nice.
basically brand new.
This one's cut up a little bit.
Yeah.
The tires are good.
This plate.
This bad boy is good. Got all kinds of steps.
What about this? What is this called? Fender or skirt?
Skirt is good. Yeah, this would probably make a good parts truck, guys. But it has one thing that I've never seen a semi truck have before. It has a half door like the Jeeps. So I don't know if this is a custom one or, yeah, see? It has a half door.
You could take it off and drive it without a...
So it's pretty custom.
Good ventilation.
Looks like some brain matter over there. That looks gross. I don't know what that is.
But the front tires also look decent. Some parts off the motor.
It's a D13 engine.
So I think the block, the bottom block, what is it? Long block. So yeah, we'll post the stock number below for this thing. By the way, if you guys want to see this thing, go to our first IA video. Anyways, let's get back into this thing. So, like I said, this is only a parts truck, I would say. Because everything is smashed in the front. Okay, let's move on to this bad boy.
Cool.
Before we move on to this truck, I want to say this truck is more wrecked than Rusty Cracker's truck. I bet he can't even fix this. So this is a 2015 International truck. From the damages, it looks like it flew into some kind of ditch, hit some kind of either median or it's something pretty good because it messed up this whole tire, messed up this front end. I would say this truck is very fixable. There's a lot of good parts on it. Let's check out the interior. So looking at interior seems pretty good. And nothing ripped. The seats are good. The steering wheel might need a new one. Overall in pretty good condition. So we'll move on to the back here. This thing is on the ground, this axle. Got ripped up from underneath. Like I said, it looks like you flew over something and probably damaged underneath probably all the suspension. These tires are pretty good. These tires are good. Somebody took those tires off they're horrible. There's holes, there's all kind of rips through them. But this side seems pretty good. Like this whole tank, everything, the doors, everything seems intact. And you probably need a new hood. Even though it's actually, this hood might be still good. Does it run and drive? Does it say? No. We don't know.
In out. Probably in out.
Probably in up. Probably all the, maybe hit the bottom of the engine. Moving on. Where's the
antique?
Look at this tow truck.
So this tow truck must have been towing someone and got smashed a little bit. So then the tow truck needed a tow. Let's go over here. Got some shiny leather.
Well, first thing, I think it's missing an axle, isn't it? Or no, is that something else?
That's in the front, bro.
Oh. Come on, man.
So there's no front axle.
It's right there.
Got a little bit of damage. Whoa.
What year is this thing?
I think 2017.
And if the stock number is available, we'll
We
post
can't
it.
find it right now.
Yeah, because some of these cars and trucks we check out, stock numbers we can't find at the time. So hopefully it will be available. So yeah, this thing, basically, I feel like it flew on some kind of curb, or that's a pretty big curb. Took everything off from underneath. But it's a nice flatbed though. Pretty sure it works. All the hydraulics probably work. Don't want to mess with it.
Should we try to start it? No, JK.
Let's go see what else they got.
Alright, so here's a 2009 Freightliner. Looks just like the kind that we're rebuilding on the channel, but this one has a little more damage. This thing is smashed.
Just a little bit.
The front end's all smashed. The cab is smashed. It ripped out whatever this was. This used to be the bed. Oh, the moly. This thing got destroyed. But maybe someone can fix it. Who knows?
It could be. There's some parts on this thing that you can still keep. Throw away the rest. Tires seem pretty good. The older ones, the back ones look a little older.
Frame's a little rusty. It's missing the plate to hook up the trailer to, though.
And this thing looks, look at that. It got bent a little bit. And both that side also. But yeah, there's a few parts you could get off this thing. But overall, this thing is
Hammer.
when you put the hammer down on this thing. Hopefully the driver is okay.
Door opens. Oh, this thing's smashed.
Whatever this thing is burnt. It's like, as you guys could see, It's a big piece of metal. Used to be a tractor. Now it could be somebody's yard ornament, because I don't think this thing is fixable. But everything, this whole thing just caught on fire from both sides, fried it, even melted the tires on this thing. It looks like it was hauling some kind of manure, but glass is burnt. Like, there's nothing left in this thing. And just a guess, it's probably been since 2017. Just a guess. It looks pretty fresh.
That might be the stock number?
Might be the stock number right there. But it looks like it started from the engine, because everything is destroyed from the engine. Look at that. The tires melted right here. That tire is fine. So looks like, by my observation, it started in the back. I mean, you could probably take it to what? Will they even take it at a recycling place?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you could even take it to... Yeah, I can't open that thing about that. Then you could tell it just fried everything. A good barbecue. Show them the inside too. Look at this thing. I wonder what brand this thing. What is this thing?
Comment below if you guys know what this thing is.
We're curious ourselves.
It says VIN is not available.
So probably you won't get any paperwork with this thing. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned all the way. So like we said, comment below what you guys want to see at the auctions, because we could look at anything. The guys at the yard, they let us go around, record whatever we want. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram, and you guys have a great day. Peace.